Hey guys, Jack's your free auto mechanic. Today we're going to install some fog lights in our 2006 Chevy Silverado. Our friends over at Last Fit sent us over a set to try out, so let's get after it. First thing we want to do is take a look at what's in the box, right? Nice packaging. Like they got a manual, pretty descriptive on what to do. We got some fancy product decals and fancy bulbs here. Well, those are really nice. Very well constructed. And I believe these are what they call the switchback adapters. So we'll connect these in. This will adapt for the plug. Pretty straightforward. Doesn't hurt to set them side by side to make sure that everything lines up the same, which they look good. The next thing to do is to figure out how to access the fog light, which you need to do from getting from either underneath or between the wheel well. Stick your arm back in here. Once you've located the back side of your fog light, all we need to do is we want to unplug it. That's the wire. Now I'm just going to push down a little bit, a little pressure, hold down, and then we're going to turn counterclockwise. Just spin it, give it a little wiggle, and she'll come right out. And before I install the bulb, I'm going to go ahead and pre-connect one of our switchbacks connectors. We'll line these up correctly. Looks like these screw on. I'm guessing that allows for a waterproof connection or something. I don't know. So now that it's connected, we'll go ahead and install this same way we took out the other bulb. And we'll take our new bulb, make sure that our nubs line up correctly. Install, twist clockwise. And then we'll want to take our existing plug and plug it in. Now we got it plugged in, and we'll take and we can put a zip tie or anything you want to strap these wires up out of the way. Straight away we can see the difference in these lights. We'll wait till it gets a little darker out. We'll check them again. There you can see it's nighttime. This one's the one we just put in from Last Fit. The other one on the other side, that's the original OEM. See, one's a bit whiter, one's a little more orange, especially on the concrete. That's where you want to right down on the bottom. That's your line of sight, what you're going to be able to see. So you're looking yellow or you're nice and bright and better to see. So it's pretty safe to say I think the fog lights from Last Fit turned out pretty good. If you'd like to get a set for yourself, I'll put a link down below in the description. Thanks for watching.